bheka internet uyobheka ukuthi maningi ama-advice kubantu abasha in particular ukuthi how do you perform mhlambe in the space of academia, mhlambe let's say you are studying at higher institution or you are doing imisebenzi mhlambe le ejwayele ukuthi njengo computer science kanje idinga ukuthi more of your mind rather than ukuthi mhlambe use emgwaqweni ushaya ibheki, which is more physical, uyabona lonto leyo. And over mhlambe a couple of years whereby nami I've mainly done imisebenzi kanjalo, and I have really been more into this thing academia. I've learned ukuthi there are things ongakwazi ukuthi uzenze that will make sure ukuthi you are successful. I shared a previous video with you guys whereby I was discussing ukuthi indaba ye-university ukuthi ungena kanjani. This video is a continuation of that. If ungayibuki lo video mhlambe it might help ukuthi ngizoyilinka la ukuthi uqale uyobuka leyo video leyo, and then uzobona ukuthi how this thing ilinka with i-topic yami today. Igama lami nguNtuthuko. I am a PhD researcher la LMU. Before that I was a UKZN for maybe close to 7 years. I did my foundation year at Westville campus, and then I moved to Pietermaritzburg to do 3 years with BSc. I also did postgraduate at Pietermaritzburg again for 1 year, and then did 2 years, further 2 years for MSc, Pietermaritzburg, UKZN. And then after that, ngingasebenza with the Department of Health for isikhathi esithe ukuthi mhlambe nakhona esithe usixaxa impela. And then I decided ukuthi manje I wanted to go mhlambe ngobona ukuthi okay mhlambe ngakwazi ukwenza lento ekuthiwa PhD, and then leyo yangithatha kuyangibeka la LMU today. And over those years there are many lessons ngisho ukuthi nami mhlambe ngiwafundile, and I wish ukuthi mhlambe someone wahlala kanje nami njengoba ngihleli nawe today, even if it was virtual, wangitshela ukuthi okay these are the things that have worked for me, mhlambe you can take it, we adapt. So that's exactly the topic here today. Today ngifuna ukudiscuss just 5 things in terms of mhlambe let's say we are entering academia or wenza lemsebenzi le mhlambe engasho ukuthi more academic like or coding whatever, ukuthi what are the things you need to make sure ukuthi uyazenza so that ukwazi ukuthi uperform optimally kulezo zinto lezo. Ngizocover nje izinto ezo5. Oqala soqala ngokuthi how do you sleep, because sleep, if wenza imisebenzi especially imisebenzi that requires brain power, sleep is the most important thing. And then let's say mhlambe wena uyabuya ke manje ungena undergraduate, uyokwenza mhlambe your first diploma, your first degree, kubalekile ukuthi wenze something called a study routine. Study routine isikwenziwa noma uba, but if mase kuswa mfethu uthi ungena angiphathi grade 12, these things we apply grade 12, then angazi ukuthi impilo izokuthatha kubeke kephi. Study routine. And then something else engifuna ukuthi ngidiscuss to unproductive study. Angikaze ngezwe umuntu ekhuluma ngalento, but for me iyangisiza kakhulu, even today isangisiza. And then the importance of planning, and mhlambe okunye engakaze ngezwe umuntu ekhuluma ngako ukuthi academia usual, excuse me, baba ungaba nabangani bakhe evarsity bathola ukuthi nenza amakhozi akahle angafani. Ekhaya kini mhlawumbe uzobe the first person vele ukuthi a study a Shelley degree, so uthola ukuthi people mhlawumbe bengasho ukuthi hayi uzoba strong, but sometimes that is not enough. So you need to find a way ukuthi mhlawumbe ungakwayithola kanjani energy uqhubeka, because it is a lonely journey. And then some of the things you need to remember. So we're just going to cover 5 things. If we start so qala ngani na, so qala ngo number 1, which is lokade ngisho ukuthi is the most important thing. So lapho sikhuluma ngo-sleep. Sleep is even for your health empilweni yakho siyazi ukuthi ema university in particular ukulala akuyona into ejwayelekile. Most people there balala ngendlela mhlawumbe ngisho ngithi kancane. So why ngifuna ukufocus kakhulu ukulala ukuthi for your brain power or when ukwazi ukuthi ube alert during the day you are focused, udinga ukuthi wenze sure ukuthi umqondo wakho in the right state of mind. This happens whether usevasithi or usemsebenzini whereby it requires a lot of brain power. What I did mean with sleep was ngathi ngayitshela one day ngathi mina I'm going to sleep between 12 ebusuku to 6 ekseni. The most important thing la u6 yabo, because into ebaluleke kakhulu kunakho konke ukuthi uvuka nini. Why kubalulekile ukuthi uvuka nini? Because if you are attend then uzoba no 7:45 angithi. So awukwazi ukuvuka ngo8 if uno 7:45 yabo. So kubalulekile mase usuyosebenza futhi awukwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe emsebenzini uzobongena ngo8 uyabo. So awukwazi ukuthi wena mina ngikwazi ukuvuka ngo9 kusho uzongena emsebenzini ngo10. Umhlaba kusho kuzomela uinvent your own world whereby yonke into iqala ngo10 uyabo lento le. So into ebalulekile number 1 ngifuna ukuthi kwi mention la ukuthi why I chose to sleep u6 was because u6 ukunika enough time regardless ukuthi mhlawumbe ngihlala off campus ngihlala on campus ngihlala away from le ndawo ngisebenzela kuyona. U6 if ngivuka ngo6 I get enough time ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngikhave mhlawumbe 7:45 or 7:30 or 8 uyayibona lonto le. And then I move backwards now to say okay ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngilale ama hour right of which ilonto engizobe ngikhuluma ngayo namhlanje ukuthi how many bekumele ngilale ngasikhatsini uyayibona lonto le. Then so ngachuza ke, so all I did was during my undergraduate bengilala ngo 12 ebusuku ngivuka ngo6. That gave me 6 hours of sleep per day. Mhlambe one day maybe after this one I will do another video eshow ukuthi how do you calculate number of hour ongawalala, because there's akhona ama formula luningi cwaningi ekulaleni ukuthi ama hour how many. Mhlambe that will be my next video. So if ufuna ukubona lo video leyo you can stay tuned kule channel le. I think ilokho kubalekile. Sometimes you can say ukuthi if ukuthi wenza lokho mfethu wenza kanje every day whether weekend or whatever, then what happens is this pattern then will become a habit. So into ekuthiwa habit why kubalekile into ukuthi habit, because then it means the efforts that is required from you is less uyayibona lonto leyo. So when something becomes habitual it just means that friction now to do it is less than when you ubele usaqala uyayibona. Uma usaqala mhlawumbe kuzoba nzima, but the more you do something that is whereby uthola ukuthi sekuba lula manje ukuthi we lokho natural mhlawumbe first week or second week uzama ukuthi format this pattern kungenzeka ukuthi uthola ukuthi we are struggling uyabo. But if you continue and then after maybe some time uzokwazi ukuthi lento le ifile natural, kufile sengathi nje hayi wena kade wawenza kanje ulala kanje vele. Lokho kubaleke kakhulu because wonke ama activities wakho njengami nje, for example leke ngenza isibonelo is practical. If ungazi usingilala ngo12 for example, let's say RS which used to happen ukuthi mhlawumbe ngo10 kudlala eMadrid. If kudlala eMadrid ngo10 chaza ukuthi mhlawumbe by the time kushawa u12 eMadrid izobe isiphela yabona nto le. Ngisuke eTV room ngisaya where I stay. So if ngifika lapho kade kudlala eMadrid mhlawumbe lese idliwe or iwinile, my adrenaline izobe high kakhulu ngendlela esimangaliso regardless usikwenzakaleni, unless mhlawumbe ise boring draw, but even then khona umuntu ozoshweba yabona nto le, and then wonke umuntu ababazi TV room. So my adrenaline izobe high. So kuchaza ukuthi if ukuthi mina ngimesela ukulala ngo12 ngo11 kumele ngenze sure ukuthi sengiyanyenya away from TV room so that I get enough time ukuthi ngibe phansi ngikwazi ukuthi by 12 sengiyalala. So izinto ezikanjalo or ukufunda, if ngifunda I can't be ngo 11:30 for example sengenza istats or ngenza imaths ngoba ama subjects kanjalo because inqondo yakho igcine isihamba fast kakhulu then usufuna ukulala akusalaleki. So kuchaza ukuthi if ukuthi mina ngiyazi ukuthi okay ngo12 ngifuna ukulala, chaza ukuthi by mhlambe 10 I'm trying now to see ukuthi iziphi izinto ezingazenza in preparation for this. Uyabo lokho chaza ukuthi usually for me it meant ukuthi sengifunda izinto njengama notes kuphela manje. Angisafunda izinto ezokwenza ukuthi my mind angihambi ngiphume ngithi ngifuna ukuyojoga awe mhlambe ngifuna ukushaya umgwaqo for example. Yabo lento le because I know ukuthi ngo12 kumele ngilale. If umngane wami ethe mfethu let's do something kumele ngigazi ukuthi okay kumele ngiyenze lonto le ngazi ukuthi ngo12 I have to make sure ukuthi and leyo nto leyo if mase kuthiwa I say kuzo zonke izinto mfethu engingazisho mhlambe today noma izinto ezibonayo ku internet this from undergraduates this has been one of the most important things engenza ukuthi mhlambe today ngikhulume nawe manje ngithi ngenza iPhD somewhere le good not South Africa. So bengifuna uqala ngayo but mhlambe ngizokwenza another video just kuyona because kubalekile. So sadlula ke lapho ke manje ake sisike you have a good sleeping routine mhlambe either let's say nami mhlambe u2 hours no6 angazi u5 mawuthi ufuna ukuye gymini or izinto ekanjalo uchoose ukuvuka ngo5 chaza manje uzolala mhlambe ngo11 noma ngo10 uyabona lento leyo. So enye into ekumele uyenze futhi ukuthi manje sifuneka siye ku number 2 ne. So number 2 what I used to do mina go number 2 was I would attend because attending is more like mhlawumbe ke sesingiyama lecture I'm doing ama practical all izinto ezikanjalo. Then ntambama my study time now sengiyafunda ke mina sengizama ukuthi take the things I was exposed to kuma lecturers by lecturers emini and ntambama sengiyayithatha manje ngifuna uinternalize ukuthi if uqhamuka exam or workplace situation ngiyakwazi uyapply because ufika expose eclassini and then you have to internalize leyo nto leyo ingenise kuwena kwisystem yakho so that mase usufika ku exam or kwilokhuzana workplace you can apply it. So chaza ukuthini ke nakhona is habit futhi you have to make studying kube a habit. So mina what I used to do was nginqama practical and lecturers everything in between. I used to study from 6. My study nje was from 6 to 11. Why 11 na? Because like I said, ngifuna ukuthi by 12 00 or 12 sengilele. So ngifuna ukuthi ngo11 usually mina bengifundela kakhulu e-library during the week in particular on Fridays. So ngifuna ukuthi by Shaw 11 if ngiqeda ngo11 very library futhi especially the agricultural campus library emaRespect evala ngo11. So this would be different mawukuthi for example sewezwile whereby i-library is open 24 hours. So ngangisuka la ngo11 I'm finishing ngiyazi ukuthi ngizofika endlini mhlambe 30 minutes. There's not a lot ongayenza lapho unless kukhona ama test abalekile then ngo12 ngiyazi ukuthi hayi no matter what sengilele. But what this does futhi ngoba ngisho iyenza ukuthi kube habit. So ukufunda let's say you are studying nje manje it's not ukuthi uzovela uvula incwadi nje and then all of a sudden everything oyenzayo oyifundayo kufana nani even if you are coding which is something I do a lot these days because ngenza ama data analysis you don't just get uvuli or studio and then all of a sudden yabo usuyaqala. It takes time ukuthi ingqondo yakho ikwazi ukuthi ingene phakathi. So if we habits if your mind knows ukuthi okay njalo ngo6 this person does one thing iyazi ukuthi ngo6 regardless yabo. So what lokho into kuyenza kwenza ukuthi ngesofika library the time uvula incwadi and the time ngempela sekuyaqala yo juices ayaqala ya flow siba sincane yabo because your mind knows ukuthi okay vele lo muntu lo this time wenza lokho. So then ingakho sekungathi kwi habit. This is also one of the most important things because khona abantu abathi mina ngikwazi ukufunda mina ngikwazi ukufocus isikhathi eside because you don't have a routine. Umzimba wakho awukwazi ukuinternalize kwenza ihabit ngeke uphinde vele ukwazi ukuthi ufunde or focus isikhathi eside. But if you can build around a habitual time whereby your mind, your body bayazi ukuthi okay, this time uzobe usulokhu uzile, uzobe usuhlele mhlambe in your desk whatever, then it becomes easier. Angazi ngayichaza kanjani lento le, but it will become easier for umqondo wakho ukuthi switch on and then do lento le ufuna ukuyenza. Last semester ngike ngakhuluma nomunye wabafundi engijwayele ukuba mentorishe Westville, and ngiyamfonela mhlambe nini ngimfonela ngo mhlambe 11 because thinking uthi hayi usesendlini manje. I'm like, oh, why are you still in the library? Kanti uzohamba nini? And then he's like, oh, mina ngibone ngizohamba la. So kushusi ngalelo langa, it was a Friday, kushusi ube cross night. Cross night ngeke ngisho ukuthi into embi. Uyabo, but mhlambe let's say mfethu ufuna ukuthi njengathi nje ufuna you want to progress academia mhlambe until wenze PhD for example, akuyona into ongakwazi uyisustain isikhathi eside. Ngaphandle kwalokho ukungalali kungenza ukuthi ugcine unama health problems, uyabona lonto leyo. So what I'm trying to encourage here ukuthi have a study routine so that ungabi naso isidingo sokuthi njalo mase sekumele koshaya ama test wena sekumele cross night, uyabo. So failing to plan is preparing to fail or something like that. Okay, you have a sleeping schedule, it's right, it's enough hours ukuthi ulale. Uya on a study routine, it's right futhi manje your body seyazi sejwayele ukuthi okay ngo-8 ngo-Saturday for example, I used to go elaborate ngo-8 ngo-Saturday eyazi ukuthi umzimba wakho okay lo muntu uyaqala uyafunda manje. That is your routine. Weekdays mhlambe angazi ushaya wena mhlambe ushaya u7 to 1 because ngoba ngisho Westville banama library avula 24 hours or adopt yami system angazi kukuwena. So there is another thing mhlambe engeke ingikhathaze kakhulu when especially when ngisako undergrad manje sengi-understand that sometimes uzokuthi uyafunda and mhlambe masusivele ukuthi ayi yabona today angingeni lutho and into ingqondo yakhe isikutshela lapho isuke isithi hayi today ngeke uphinde uzame hayi today angingeni lutho, uyabona nto leyo. And one of the things mhlambe ngingasho ukuthi ngayifunda ngalokho ukuthi if ukuthi akungeni lutho ngalelo suku lolo akusho ukuthi akungeni lutho ngempela. Usually kuma test or exams the things ake sisuphendula iquestion manje akubuyi izinto owayifunda ngesathi uyibona ukuthi hayi yabona namhlanje hey ngihamba naye incwadi wayibona lento le kubuya everything. So kuyenzeka sometimes ukuthi on the day whereby you felt like bekungangeni lutho, those are the answers mhlawumbe akusaveayo akuthathayo mhlawumbe from ufail to mhlawumbe upass, uyayibona lonto le. So the more I progress towards quarter year in particular, I stopped looking at le statement less njalo ingqondo amantshela statement, I just ignored it, uyabo, because I knew ukuthi even if ungathiwa ngeni lutho into ebalekile lezi zinto ezinye ukuthi I'm forming the habits, number 1. Number 2, kwi-exam itself akubuyi izinto engifunda only when I'm productive or when I'm feeling like it, or when I'm excited. Kubuya everything that is on your mind and on ama neurons akho akwazi ukuthi I connect naleyo question leyo at hand, uyabona nto leyo. So one of the things mhlambe engathiwa mangase kuthiwa I go back futhi ka undergraduate it would be ilokho ukuthi ngakufunda lokho earlier, because lokho ngakufunda mhlambe late, uyabona ngakufunda earlier ukuthi regardless of how I'm feeling I just do it, because i-exam ayikhethi ukuthi hey Tuthuko namhlanje we productive so na imibuzo ozokwazi uyiphendula hey le wayifunda ungekho productive, umqondo yakhe iforma ama connections with ama answers, everything that you have laid your eyes on, and then from there then i-answer iqhamuka. So I would focus on developing habits rather than looking at am I being productive today now, regardless. So kumele uveluyenze. And one of the most mhlambe example was September ngisase Westville I remember it was September break and we had a test sibuya kwi September break, that very first week, organic chemistry. I remember first day I was like, okay, I'm not gonna go home, ngangaya ekhaya. And then I just went to the library, bengivuke ngathi ngiya-attenda basically, and stay there until angazi 5 or whatever. Kube sengathi nje it's like a normal day. I remember first 2 days kwangangeni lutho, but lokho kwenza ukuthi by the time silapha sekushawute day everything yabo konke lokungangeni lutho for 2 days, cabanga uyavuka library. We used to go to 12th floor eWestville. Usually mase sekushube kakhulu umuntu besingayi short stay or whatever, that place whereby uthola ukuthi khona abantu. 12th floor mase kushube kakhulu because 12th floor it was quiet. I remember we knew even abantu ababe 12th floor eWestville campus that year in particular sasazana each other ngokubonana yabo. In fact, I met a very good friend of mine uXolani Ntombela. Shout out to Xolani. I think use wahamba wenze medicine the following year, but we knew ukuthi siyalapho. So that week nami ngangise 12th floor kuphela, but that day surprisingly yaqinisa ngani organic chemistry, and I think eWestville this was Chem 120 Chem 120, whereby ilento la bengifunda khona lama strategies, because I didn't know the strategy. Ngawafunda sengifunde go universities cabanga nje. Chem 120, we're doing Chem 120, and what was happening in Chem 120 was that I think so doing Chem 120, I think that is my highest DP ever eWestville before ngihambe. That was the highest I've ever gotten. So you can imagine ukuthi I was really proud of that. But from then that's where I learned ukuthi okay, just lento leyo kufunda, all I need to do is just focus. Noma kuthiwa ngeni lutho focus, eventually kuzoqala kungangeni lutho, kuzogcina sekungena ngicine kwi-exam sekubuya yonke into, regardless ukuthi ngalelo suku lolo ngizizwe ngathi kuyangena noma ngingeni, rather than me saying ngiyabona namhlanje ngingeni lutho ngiyagoduka mfethu ngiyolala, yazi nokurest akubalekile, which is important, but usually ukurest ayikho into zobuya ngasasusulela urest. Angisaphathi ke makuthi wena uyaresta kanti ubusy no social media, but asikho lapho today. So then siyabuya ke manje siya ku planning. Planning ngichaza ukuthina, ngichaza ukuthi the nice thing especially ngama universities imfeso, first week bakutshela bathi na ama test dates, this is na ama submission, na i-prep book. Thina we used to get the prep book in ama pre-prac yonke into. So kuchaza ukuthi you've got everything except mhlambe exam dates, especially last year, because I have a lot of people eWestville ngiba-mentorisha. I think last year April nakhona exam dates bisikhona bese beyikhiphile i-final exam yabo. So kuchaza ukuthi into, kuchaza ukuthi wena you have to take all these days wafaka ikhalenda lakho, so that uyabona ukuthi okay, this week ngenza then unama module outline futhi lapha ngizi. So ama module outline enzani na kutshela wonke ama topic aleyo module leyo yabo. Then suyathatha ama topic alana nama test. Okay, kusho le test izocover 1 2 3 because sobe see this far. This assignment izocover because sobe this far assignment 1 or assignment 2. Ama practical now same thing yabo. So lokho kwenza ukuthi while you are doing these things zonke uyayibona ukuthi zifitha ke on the overall module. And when it comes to exam, if vele mfethu lokhu usukuhlanganisa nama test akho, angithi yabo manje for certain what do they call them, certain sections for example of a module, usuyazi ukuthi okay la ngatestwa kuyona la mhlawumbe uthatha la ma question and nama past papers usuyabona usukuyahlangana. So without i-planning ngisho ungazenza izinto eziningi, but without i-planning uzokwenza impilo yakho ibe nzima. And there's many people because baleka i-planning bacabanga ukuthi hawo yazi is relax until sekutest week. Mase kutest week umuntu siyaphenika usefuna ukuthi cross night, uyayibona lento le. So i-planning iyona ebalekile. And this is the advantage of university ukuthi usually not wonke usually yonke into bakunika mhlambe first week bathi hayi na ama test now ama submission now you have to take those things zifakwe calendar take wonke ama modules awenzayo njenga again Westville because kade ngikhuluma naye lo mfana lo crossnightayo wonke ama modules mhlambe usually wenza 4 or 5 modules per semester so wonke ama modules you just create wonke ama it's like module skeletons whereby you just create ama test create ama outline submissions none so as when it comes to exam nakhona you create again so uyazi ukuthi okay mhlambe lese une exam usually mhlambe last semester I think waqala ngo20 May ukubhala ama exam and then mhlambe 25 so uyazi lese une math la uyazi ukuthi okay mhla une how many days uzofocus kona kwi maths sometimes kuyenzeka ahlangana ama module mhlambe 25 26 so cha lo 3 days lo uzo divide nesinye I subject yabo or I module if mase kuthiwa mfethu uyayifundisa leyo nto le just as ungena or saka second year you just teach yourself this and keep it somewhere whereby it reminds you I promise you impilo yakho izoba lula kakhulu and you will never have a day whereby you go to a library or you go to the week and you're like angazi ngizofundani uyabo because yonke lento le yakutshela ukuthi okay njengamanje kumele awufunda lokho because test 1 walo us next week kufuneka ngabe ucover lokho mase umkhavile lo test 2 walo this week ngama holiday you never have time yabo because you know yonke into ukuthi okay from this day ngenza ukuthi this day ngenza ukuthi there are many students even manje abantu bakama PhD eke bethi ngeke ngibabuke nje and then I'm like how did you guys survive undergraduates if ningakwazi ngisho ukuthi ukuplana ka PhD usukuzona into ekuthiwa ina gun charts iyona show ukuthi okay by this time kumele ngenze ukuthi by this time kumele ngenze ukuthi uyayibona lonto leyo but really i gun chart is just a version of I module planning le ongayiqala ukuyipractice yini na ka undergraduate level or if ufuna uqala ka postgrad but mase uqala ka postgrad vele seku late but probably undergraduate ku right. Then the final thing engicabanga ukuthi ibalekile as well angikaze futhi ngezwe umuntu kuba khona umuntu okhuluma ngayo most of us thola ukuthi in our families mhlambe we are the first people ukuthi bahambe mhlambe baye e-university uyabo or mhlambe the first people ukuthi benze lawo ma degree lawo or usisi wakho i-age gap yakushaya unayo awukwazi ukuthi ngempela umhlalise phansi umbuze izinto zangempela uyabona into leyo because mhlambe lethe yena wafunda they went to university mhlambe earlier compared to you and the gap is too much uyabo ukuthi ningahlala nibe ne-meaning conversation so what usually happens is you would find that academic journey in general it's very lonely yabo it's like when you are yabo and lokho it continues you do honors same thing you do masters same thing you do PhD same thing ko masters kuba nzima kakhulu because you can do the same masters but also you have different topics yabo so it's something if ukuthi ufuna uqhubeka academy it's something you have to get used to ukuthi somehow you have to find ways for you ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uyimotivate to go forward and there are many things ongazenza or mina mhlawumbe namhlanje I will share izinto engicabanga ukuthi mina zangisiza or zangisiza today obvious number 1 would be usually I think lokho niyakwazi nani mina what I used to do mase sengibona ukuthi ayikushube ngempela manje I would go to Cornelia Ground of Denison I can't remember the name but listen where Denison Rest I would go there and then exceed go 5 I'll just do ama rounds because whenever you feel like ngempela energy ayisekho if you move your body sometimes into eyenzakala ngazi your body releases some chemicals whatever and then you end up uthola ukuthi manje usuyayibona ukuthi hayibo nakho sengithola umfutho ebengawazi ukuthi ukephi so this is one of the things mhlambe ungakwenzi kona njengami because mina ngikwenza only when sengifila sengathi singampela sengilona. If masithwa nje for example ngoba uvuka ngo6 mfethu wena ngiyakwazi ukuthi you are way better than me, so ungayenza lento le. Uvuka ngo6 and ngo6 mhlawumbe uthi 30 minutes exercise. 30 minutes ungashaya kanjani exercise amantombazane especially skipping rope or YouTube 30 minutes standing exercise. If ungakwenza sonke insuku wena you will get very far. Uyabo ungafani nami mina ngikwenza when sengibona ukuthi hayi ngampela my energy manje ayisekho. 2 ezinye izinto ngicabanga ukuthi angaze ngezwe abanye abantu bekhuluma ngazo izinto othi mawuzenza usho ukuthi okay yabo manje khona izinto ozosimawenza empilweni ubuka ukuthi okay akekho umuntu, not many people are willing, many people bengayenza lento le but not many people are willing to do this, yabo. So that means mina I'm trying manje, I'm pushing my boundaries, uyayibona lento le. And one of the things I used to do lo mina one was every Friday ngama Friday ngiyazi kwakhona umuntu sekusiphume. I don't think she liked me very much. Hi isiphume Fridays in particular angaze ngaphuma library ngashaya u11 yabo or 9:45 when sebefika belokubethi how awusho so hamba nini namhlanje, because Agric library was a very small library whereby everybody knew each other, uyayibona nto leyo. But by doing that ngangazi kahle ukuthi not many people, ngoba ngo Friday I know ukuthi many people are like I need to relax after a long week. I know ukuthi okay la I'm trying now to break through, uyayibona nto le. I'm doing things mhlambe nami I would not ordinarily do, but ngenxa lento le ngifuna ukuyi-achieve I am doing them. That was I think number 1 lo. Number 2 enye into engicabanga ukuthi I still get a lot of energy from as well as ukuthi on Saturday, every Saturday I didn't study endlini. Usually when I didn't have my commitment or mentorship whatever, zonke lezi zinto lezi I do in my spare time, but I would go to a library ngo8. Again, not many people are there a library ngo8 it's on a Saturday and try to push as much as possible. A successful day look like this ukuthi ngo8 to 5. Because I know my friends, for example ngiyabazi ukuthi Saturday, schedule Saturday, especially for us guys, angazi amantombazana ukuthi basuke benzani bona. Schedule yethu ngo Saturday was I think ngo 12:30 kwakudlala iEPL first game ngo 12:30. Before then ngo 8 aqala ama game ama campus soccer games, yabo, whereby one of the most famous singers in South Africa was playing there once, but I won't say who. If ukuthi uyasilandela story sami mangithi Peter Maritzburg campus uzokwazi ukuthi uba lo. So he used to sing there changing, but he doesn't know me. And anyway 12:30 amajita asuka manje groundini, yabo. If bengadlali late basuke because bayazi ukuthi ngo 12:30 kochaya ini EPL English Premiership la. Coincidentally sengihlala la, but story for another day as well. And then ngo3 obvious zodlala iPSL lapho ngo3, and then ngo6 we knew futhi ukuthi kuzodlala iEnglish Premiership. So by me doing 8 nolokhuzana I know ukuthi vele uyabona ukuthi izinto esengizenzile. These are the things I've sacrificed. So ngiyayitshela myself ukuthi okay, these are the things I've sacrificed, and there is a lot of energy oyitholayo ngalokho, because you know ukuthi these are the things you'd rather be doing, but you are doing this ngoba ilento le obonayo ukuthi yena uzokuphumelelisa leyo nto leyo. So nawe, and then obviously kuzonyuka kuzokudlala igame yango 8, then kube Spanish La Liga ngo10, yabo. And then amajita azobe sehlukana mhlambe around 12, uyayibona lento le. But list down izinto ukuthi okay, because a lot of us mhlawumbe abantu abaningi bahlezi benama ama to-do list, to-do list ibane to don'ts list, okusho ukuthi these are the things I'm willing to sacrifice, and lokho mfethu I promise you kuzokunika a lot of energy. I am 3 away, ngangihlezi bengitshela lezi ngane last year, I'm 3 hours away from Manchester. I could go watch Manchester City, but all I do is all I say is mase ngiqede lokho then I will watch it, mase ngiqede lokho then I will watch it, and lokho kuyangenza ukuthi ngiqhubekele phambili rather than me just giving in kwizinto mhlawumbe engasho ukuthi they are more pleasure seeking, uyabo, njengabo o Manchester City kanje. So have your two don'ts list, and then leyo two don'ts list iyona ke ezokunika unumber 5, yabo. Without i two don'ts list unumber 5 ngeke mase ususevasisi fethu hakuzolunga o mfethu wena nje uhlaniphila hayi sebenze kanjalo bama lapha because mase sila ila, uyabo, and mase ususebenza futhi izinto zakhe ngesahlangani umuntu sometimes ukuzolunga is not enough, uyayibona lento leyo, which is why then this thing ends up kube sengathi ngempela is lonely, because ukuzolunga mhlambe mawusese primary or right or high school mhlambe nakhona aka grade 12, uyabo, but as you go through life ukuzolunga sometimes usigcina ungasekho enough, so that way manje sekumele ubheke ukuthi okay what amapha amathuluzi engawasebenzisa ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngiphushe lento, ngoba ukuzolunga kagogo nempepho khona amajita ayishisa impepho res sometimes it's not enough, uyabo. So sekudingeka wena because I know ukuthi hey yazi hey ushisa impepho namhlanje, so test baba, negative marking, which is what we had in ours when we first came. Yeah, so 5 things anyway. So the thing mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi ibalekile manje ukuthi mina njengamanje kuzomela ngenze another video ke manje ekhuluma ukuthi okay how do you sleep, because most people bacabanga ukuthi hey you just close your eyes and you sleep. No baba, yabo, there's these things, you quantity over quality. If you track your sleep then you are able to see ukuthi ngempela ngiyalala yini or ngiyacimeza, uyabo. So if ufuna ukwazi ukuthi how I track my sleep, yiziphi izinto ezibhekwa when sesibuka quality of sleep ukuthi into kanjani, then you will have to click le video over here or here, angazi kusizobekephi, but I will see you there because ngoba ngiqeda le kuzomela ngirecord yona, so that sizokwazi ukuthi le ndaba ukuthi how to sleep for optimal performance isebenza kanjani.